If you wish to have water to drink, you need a container in which to hold it. If you have no glass, the water will quickly spill all over the table. Likewise, to hold the wisdom from the teachers of light, you also require a container. This container has long existed, but has fallen away from us due to neglect and the habit of fear that surrounds each of us. This container for the wisdom is the electromagnetic field around you that you may know as your aura. The problem is your aura has lost its definition or structure. You have become the water without the container. By restructuring the harmonics of your aura to a particular sacred geometric form, you can recreate the container. This specific geometry aligns with a unique higher dimensional body of wisdom and becomes your antenna, a receiver, and a transmitter. The aura, without structure and focus, is like a radio that cannot tune into the station you wish to listen to. Instead of listening to more distant stations with many choices, you can only tune into the local neighborhood gossip. By creating a specific tune transmitter and receiver, you can begin to align your personal energy field to your own frequency, which in turn allows you to tune out incoherent frequencies that constantly flow through you. These disruptive frequencies do not belong to you and have nothing to do with you, with who you are. But they hold such a strong magnetic charge that they actually blind your understanding of your purpose. Once your geometric container is in place, fascinating new opportunities become available to you. For example, by learning to increase the speed at which the geometric field spins, you can begin to rise above life's drama, noise, and distractions. This creates an opportunity to realign your antenna to your own purpose and become happy. You are then consistently and successfully able to hold higher thoughts and feelings of passion, enthusiasm, clarity, and ease. This geometric container is your personal power field. It is the vessel that holds the wisdom of all that is, the infinite prime creator, the divine grid programmer. By fine-tuning your antenna, you will eliminate the noisy, incoherent vibrations of events and people around you, and begin to know yourself as the living light body. This fine-tuned alignment provides a quiet focus and enables you to begin to remember and rewire yourself in ways that have not been available to you for many lifetimes. It allows you to recall, receive, and re-experience the abundance and wisdom that you already know in the higher dimensions. There is no anxiety, competition, worry, or drama, because those energies simply do not exist within this geometry. You find yourself becoming certain, strong, clear, and non-reactionary. You have the ability to choose to listen to others or not. You have the ability to choose to experience yourself in your own way. Rebuilding your personal power field restructures both how you perceive yourself and how you present yourself. And here's where the alchemy begins. From this new, higher perspective, you will find that time exists in a very different form. There is no past or future. There is only now, where time is simultaneous and where all experiences exist at the same moment in the same place. Everything flows simply and effortlessly in this simultaneous now, and all answers to any questions are available to you before you have to act or respond to the question. The answers you seek exist exactly where you ask the question. Think about this. If you knew all the answers and what would happen in each situation before you had to act, why would you ever choose an experience that was not enjoyable? With total choice, you would choose the possibility that most joyfully meets your needs and then step into that choice, thereby creating the reality that you desire. From this higher, faster, clearer platform of consciousness, you will discover that many of the concepts, beliefs, and truths once held in this lower consciousness are no longer accurate or useful in the higher perspective. You now have the opportunity to make new choices. You can choose to play the game you have always played, or you can step up to a greater platform of certainty, seniority, personal power, happiness, command, and grace. On this platform, you will find that you have many more colors to choose from on your palette. The pictures you paint with this enhanced palette will be much grander and more alive. And simply by reconstructing a sentence or speaking with a different tone, you can create experiences with a very different result. Greater levels of light, wisdom, and knowledge become increasingly available to you. The more you can anchor and consistently hold the light within you, the quicker you will fulfill your spiritual purpose. As you begin to vibrate within the fifth dimensional consciousness, while still surrounded by third dimensional energy, it is very important to recognize and live within your own personal power field. The next tool that we will present here at the Umbanda New Earth Ashram for Compassion, Strength, and Fifth Dimensional Focused Living will teach us how to rebuild our aura into a strong and stable geometric field so that your personal power and energy can remain with you instead of being weakened and lost among external places and people. Constructing this sacred field, the container, and living within it will allow you to view and experience your internal life and the world around you from a much more calm, quiet, confident, and elegant perspective. Constructing this sacred field, the container, the octahedron, will be the focus of the next offering, video offering from the Umbanda New Earth Ashram for compassion and strength and elegant perspectival living. Please, by all means, hit this subscribe button, leave this video a thumbs up, and have a pleasant remainder of your fifth dimensional focused living today or tomorrow or in the past. It's all one. It all perfect here in this moment, in the perfect here and now. Perfect here and now. Namaste. Namaskara.